Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys is the 25th of December and me, Chrissy, decide to do a breakfast mukbang and wish you guys a Merry Christmas. So on my platter I have some potatoes fried up with bacon, sausage, bell peppers, onion, garlic, scallion, all the works. I do have some cinnamon French toast. I also have some eggs with bacon, my favorite fruits, and I also have pastry. Oh, let me not forget my waffle and Popeyes chicken on top. I'm just being honest guys. I wonder if I should give my birthday shout out today. I'm gonna do that so you guys can have a happy birthday and also a Merry Christmas. Yeah, so birthday shout out goes to China Carter, Jadine Santana, Kadeen, your son who's 9 years old, and also Nicolette Wakinsey. You guys been an awesome supporter of my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much. Happy birthday. I'm just hyped because my setup is different and I just decided to just, you know, do something for y'all today. So let me dive into this. Yeah, let me dive into this. Hey. So Martina Lane, do you still want a bite? You know, since not seafood. Woo. You girl. I do have some raspberry syrup. I do like raspberry syrup guys. Christina Nama, you understand me? Christina Nama, baby. So how you guys doing today? What are you guys having for breakfast? Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite on my platter. If you guys gonna have breakfast, what's the first thing that would be for you guys to pick for your breakfast? I love eggs. My son, he loves my potatoes with sausage and bacon. It's good. So I'm everywhere today. You see the food? Don't eat it too early. I'm gonna wait. No. I am playing today. So what are you guys doing today? To be honest, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing on Christmas morning because I'm very simple. Anything happens. Put my son, let my son pull his gifts. This raspberry, guys, syrup is so good. Ain't no joke about it. I thought I had a spoon. The fork ain't working, guys. Oops, sorry. It's good. I'm not quite sure what time I'm gonna upload this video, but I know it's gonna be early in the morning, like maybe 10, 11 o'clock. It's so good, like. Sometimes I'll bake the potatoes and everything into a skillet and then kind of break the egg. No, not kind of, break the egg and put it into the middle of the potato and put it in the oven. But I didn't have time for that today, so I just went ahead and did the next best thing, which is this. And so I'll combine them together, you know, good. So Chris really get my ritual. So good. So I was thinking about doing a dish of seafood, but I'm like, it's Christmas, Christy. I know I have some supporters that want us to eat seafood 24/7. I also have supporters who want me to eat variety of stuff. But I'm gonna feed you all, you know, different stuff now and then. This is so good. Let me know in the comment section if hubby buy you anything, if wife buy anything, if your kids get you anything for Christmas. Let me know. And guys, just remember that Christmas is not about getting gifts, okay? If not, if you don't have gifts, just take the time and spend with your, you know, your loved ones. Because this year has been rough. And we all made it to Christmas. So we have to give thanks, you know what I'm saying? Please. I love fruits. Can you not believe it? That what are all the foods I have on? What are all the foods that I have here, guys? I don't have pineapples. I don't have pineapples like you, girl. Like, I'm like, oh my goodness, no pineapple. But I want to finish this out for you tonight. Yep. It is not. It is about 9:04 p.m. So these two right here, this is a waffle, French toast, cinnamon French toast, are from the box. I'm not coming up here and lying about anything, guys. I'm not doing it. So this right here, so is my son Deshaun. I'm like, I'm not gonna go today. Christmas Eve. I got time on it. I asked my husband to go get these for me. I had these in the fridge, and I whipped these up. I decided, I'm not leaving my house today because I guarantee you that the lines are long. Like, back home in Jamaica, Christmas Eve is a thing for us Jamaicans. Boxes that we used to, you know, go out and come back in the next morning. In America, no baby. In Jamaica, man, every street you turn, every corner, there is music. Like, that's one thing I miss about Jamaica, the whole vibes. You don't know. In America, work around the clock. You know what I'm saying? But I got used to it, and that's why every single year for 5 years since I left Jamaica, I went back home. I just missed it. It's just something about it. America has a lot of opportunities, you know, with jobs and schools and stuff like that. But in Jamaica, man, the vibes there. You understand me? Yeah, man. That's the man. Bag of vibes. Cause the belly full. My belly full, but me hungry. The pot of boil, but the food not ready. I eat them to them. Not it. So my thoughts on the waffle and the French toast. If I made them myself, the plate would be empty, but from the box. And from the box, I'm gonna taste my husband's friend cake. I'm gonna taste it, had it before. I'm going to do a taste test on camera. You know, when we are cooking on camera, we be like, oh my god, I'm going to taste test. Listen, me, I already taste that food already. So I'm gonna dive into this piece of rum cake. I'm gonna put, and I have a strawberry on top. Yeah. This is good. They have a lady in Jamaica they call Donna. If you all know Donna, who said the pudding? Jamaican Donna who said the pudding till I said I need one of her pudding. I need one of her pudding. I need one. Donna? Wow. But this tastes a little bit like Jamaican, the real Jamaican rum cake. Very moist. A couple days ago I did a mukbang video and I had Wingstop, I had all those foods on my platter, and when I was editing I'm like, damn, my food, you know, it doesn't look right because of all the color changes of the green screen. And I'm like on buying and preparing this food, and when my audience come to watch me, the food don't look good, it has no colors. So I'm like, okay, let me just find a place in my house where I can record like food that has different colors, like green, you know, the food that can, you know, those kind of stuff. So yeah, so if I'm gonna do sushi, so I saw KC Connection did a cake video, a cake sushi. I think I made it that video on Saturday. I'm not quite sure because I want to drop a video on Saturday for you guys. Look at this guy, this video I'm posting, guys, just a normal, you know, that's a random video just to show you guys how much I appreciate you all, you know, so something small. So I may do that cake sushi, and I also want to do a hot pot with you guys as well. So I have a lot of things planning, you know, what I want to do for you guys on Friday, because I'm not going to upload on 3 days per week. I'm going to still keep my Monday and Friday, but my new day is going to be Sunday. I'm not quite sure of my new schedule, but I'm definitely going to be doing that. And I'm talking so much. I can't be like talking too much. I can't. Let's keep talking. But I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are opening your gifts, hugging, making chocolate tea with the kids, or with marshmallows and stuff like that. To be honest, guys, I'm not a tea person, so I'm just gonna drink the basic orange juice. My husband, he drinks coffee. Deshaun, anything that comes to mind, water, juice, or anything, you know what I'm saying? But for me, I'm an orange juice person, or apple juice. But I know most of you all love to drink chocolate, tea, or coffee, and also add marshmallows. Okay, but I'm gonna leave you guys because a 10 minutes video turned into a 25 minutes video. Okay, and no, okay, I'm gonna leave you guys, but before I go, oh my goodness, I forget to get the raffle thing and my spinning game. So let me dip my hand in the bag. Heavenly Fathers, I come before you, Lord. I'm asking you guys for guidance for these little fingers to pick the right person who needs something this Christmas. So God, it's just my prayer. Amen. Amen. Let's dive in. Oh my goodness, Lord. I'm picking the right person. I'm picking the right person, Lord. Keisha. So this person's name is Keisha TMI. Keisha TMI. I'm not gonna spin the board, and I hope that Keisha TMI wins something good Because it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Me nah do it. What? No. Let me do one more time. Oh. What she get? Oh, Maine lobster, baby. Ooh, the girl get me a lobster. Ooh, ooh. So TMI, Maine Lobsters is gonna be automatically $100 gift card for Maine Lobster. So Keisha TMI, please link your information down below or contact me through my email. I'm gonna across the screen so you can see it, and just contact me through there. And congrats on your gift. One more 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 gift. Mitchell, you got her. Yep. Let me spin the wheel for you, baby, for Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, spin. You girl, you girl, you girl, you girl. Be good, be good. Okay, so she's gonna get. Okay, hold on. So she's getting a Blove Smackalicious Sauce, baby. Let me know if you want spicy or mild, because Christy got it for you. Okay, 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 okay. So congrats to all the winners tonight. That person was Keisha TMI and also Keisha Mitchell. My head go, don't do it. Don't do it ever again. What the girl name there? You girl. No. Me know say Keisha Mitchell. Yeah, Keisha Mitchell. Me not lie. You are winning it. Congrats to all the winners. And leave all the information down below so I can give you all your gifts. Alright. I get a chance to touch my hard Dunkin' Donuts. I ain't touching it because, you know, it's hard. I ain't touching it. But I'm gonna finish my fruits. I'm gonna leave you, and as I always say, take care, be safe, bye bye, bye bye, bye guys, see you next time. Merry Christmas.